Let's see how to open iPad if you forgot password. In the first step, open Settings, then select Face ID and passcode. After that, type in your existing passcode. In the next step, open Settings, then tap your Apple ID on top. After that, choose Password and Security. In the next step, use a browser on another device. After that, visit the iCloud website. Next, log in with your Apple ID. In the next step, click Find My iPhone. After that, pick your iPad from the list. Now press Erase iPad. In the next step, link your iPad to a computer. Now launch iTunes or Finder. Next, complete the steps to restore. You are good to go.